Body is ready for the crank. Sealer needs to be put around the edge. I'm using red gasket sealer. It's RTV. You get ATV, you get grey. The grey is usually the better one. There's the crank. Conrod. Balancer. Just been cleaned out. Basically, to line up the crank and the balancer, you've got to do that together. It's got to come out. There's a dot on the gear on the balancer, which is on top, and the crank at the bottom. When you do take it out, you usually check the bearings when it gets taken apart. Inside the balancer, bearing can be replaced. Everything in here runs on oil, so all dependent, friction, But I'm going to put the sealant on there, and this is going in there.